What's up, everyone? And yeah, welcome back to Techie Things. So it's been a while since I went on any rides after I came back from Goa. That was way back in April. In between, we have planned for a few rides, but I couldn't go. And one ride, I think I almost, overslept and I couldn't go. Today also I was not sure. I had some personal work and I was not sure if I'll be able to make it up or not, so that's why I have not informed anyone. So I was just planning to go solo. I wanted to go to that Narsapur forest road, and it's been I think I have planned so many times, but I couldn't go. Some cancellations happened at the last moment, so I couldn't go. Today just wanted to do a solo ride. The Bajpalli flyover, and yeah, this is the first time I'm going to ride it. Well, here you go, the flyover. Oh, nice. I mean, hopefully there are no speed cameras on this one. These days I was getting shitty mileage within the city, like if I am not going on any rides, just roaming here and there. You know how much I'm getting? 15 to 16. That's too low. And I haven't done any highway rides or long rides these days. So I used to get around 25 to 30, between somewhere that when I go on weekend rides or maybe long rides. So within the city it used to be 18, 19. But now there is a drop of around 2 kilometers, I would say. So yesterday I have filled a power fuel from Indian Oil. He says that it is 5% ethanol. Let's see how much mileage are we going to get. I have put the map to Pochampalli Dam, but not sure if I'll go all that way. Weather seems to be okay. It was a little bit sunny previously. Now it's cloudy. If the weather is like this, then I'll go. beautiful roads and nice weather. There was a slight drizzle a while ago, but it was not. We got the shot. These are the struggles that we go through. Right now I am at Medak. I am heading to Pochampalli Dam. Initially I thought only till Narsapur forest, but yeah, it was almost over within 30-40 minutes, so I didn't get that feel, so wanted to ride for a bit more. I have seen many biker groups today. These roads, I think these are very good. These are, I think, all are newly constructed ones. This is the first bad patch that I have encountered. Shit. Come on. డ్యామ్ కిటేనా పోతుంది బండి పోతుందా
golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire. Never the same, never equal, running, I'm taking my sweet time.
Mandatory Red Bull. Done with the ride. Had breakfast near Medak Church. It was okay, but overall the ride is good. Weather is nice. It's sunny over here now, but yeah. Towards Narsapur, it was actually pleasant. There was a slight drizzle in between, but yeah. Yeah, now I'm headed back to home. Yeah. Z900. So I have seen few groups today. There was a big group for I think KTM 390, and yeah, I have seen few Busas. There is a ZX10R. Yeah, that route is famous, I think. Yeah, I've seen many over there. That's it, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the vlog. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. And yeah, please do subscribe to my channel if you want to see more such content. And yeah, thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.